Hi, welcome to Tanaka Farms here in Irvine, California. So this is a really beautiful farm where you can come and like pick berries and things like that, take food from farm to table. But right now it's Christmas time, so for the holidays, they have this massive light show. So that's what we're gonna be doing right now with our extended family. So let's go check it out.
Is everything local here as well?
All the, no. So like the jam is made with our strawberries, and the blackberries made with our blackberries. The other flavors, they're not like, we don't make that stuff here.
Okay.
The honey is local, but it's also not made here.
Okay, so we're finding out that they have a tiered system for pricing. So between 6 to 7:30, the pricing is $30 per person to go see the lights. After 7:30, it drops down to $20 per person. So it's almost 7, so I think it's worth waiting 30 minutes and just check out the space so we can get the discounted rate because it's going to be a good group of us. So it will make a difference for our pocket.
So my parents are coming right now and we were gonna pay for them. So our mission is to delay them for 30 minutes without them really knowing so that we can get two-thirds of the price. So there's 8 of us. If we all go in at $30 a price, that's $240. If we go in at $20 a price, that's only $160. So $80 at stake here. Hey, so is this organically grown or what?
Yes.
How do you know that?
This is organically grown here in Tanaka Farms. I don't know if it's non-GMO though, but a lot of like food, a lot of produce is sometimes like harvested like in a little like factory type of thing.
No, look. That's the classic. If it's 4 digits, it's not organic. So I don't think this is organic. That's annoying because if it comes from a local, we thought this is like a local farm to fresh, organic, raw, natural. What is that?
So that's the tractor that pulls the wagon. That's where you're gonna ride to go see the lights inside the farm. So I'm really excited to check that out with our family.
Tanaka Farms is a family-owned and operated farm here in Irvine, California. It was founded in 1980 by Dean and Gail Tanaka. They began growing vegetables for the local community and over the years grew it to over 30 acres of land. They offer educational tours, pumpkin picking, strawberry picking, and farm-to-table dining. So you too can have the Tanaka Farms experience here in Irvine. Okay, they have arrived. It's 7 o'clock, so we got to delay them for 30 minutes. Will we be able to do it without my mom finding out? Let me know in the comments below before you watch the rest of this video.
I personally think it will be easy to distract at least your mom because she's such a good conversationalist, and honestly, like as long as like we're engaging with her, giving her energy, we can be showing her around.
Oh, they're here. Hello.
Welcome.
Late or something?
No, you were perfect.
Hey.
Hello.
Dustin.
How are you? Hey, bro.
Hey, how are you?
How are you guys? Nice to see you. Nice jackets.
Yeah.
You were missing one person.
Upton is catching up with his work. Yeah.
Come on,
Well,
it's
we had the
holiday
Hotspots, yeah.
season.
Yes,
Yeah, thank you
Yeah,
guys for coming.
It's our first time here too,
Oh.
so it's gonna be a new experience for everybody.
Okay, well, let's you lead the road and let's go. Eva, you work with
So
me and
so start here.
Okay, over.
So guys, start here, please. Let's start here. So these are the nice things, you've seen these. But then this wreath,
Harding.
is it real snow or not?
No,
How do you know?
I feel it's not snow.
In your opinion?
During the year,
It's not snow.
like,
But I feel like you're gonna go like, oh, it's actually
I
snow
just
because
feel
of this
something
reason.
berry picking.
What did you find?
I peeled a bit of snow off.
Oh,
It's not snow.
So it's not snow. For what's it be called?
Okay. Oh my God, guys, what is this?
Oh, wow.
So we're gonna sit in the
We stay here, right?
No, we go.
Oh.
That was the exact question.
Okay. 704. 704.
I saw all these Christmas lights. Like, oh, that must be something like really nice. And I'm glad you guys came.
Eva wants to do her master and PhD at
Wow.
UCI because she loves Newport.
Oh, yeah.
Are you inspired by Karina?
Sir,
What?
are you going inside?
Yeah. We're enjoying the outside first.
Dustin wants to do a vlog, a video of the whole experience.
So this is the farm area. They sell a lot of local fruit, vegetables right over there.
Yeah, the berry and jams and honey.
Look at the honeys. Come look at the honeys, Sohaila. My dad's the one I'm worried about. He's like, let's go, let's get going. Wow, look at these honeys.
It has habanero pepper. I don't think I've ever seen a strawberry habanero jam. Look, Papa John, they have strawberry, but it has habanero jam. And habanero is a very spicy chili pepper. So it's going to be like a spicy, sweet
Yeah, okay.
jam.
What
I've
other
never
flavors?
seen such a combination.
Yeah, I see mango and habanero also.
Yeah.
This one also with mango.
Yeah. Oh, wow. That must be really yummy, too. You should come like another time of the year to do, to come for the produce.
It's so much fun. We
Yeah.
do that. We did that in Greece in Crete.
Yeah.
Quick update 707. Is it raw or pasteurized?
This one is raw. This one I think is pasteurized because it doesn't say that it is raw.
Let's continue the floating around to this side. We haven't explored this side.
Okay. What about the other fruits and honeys? We could guide him to the other fruits
Oh,
and
look how
honeys.
cute.
What?
Like they're playing. I don't know. I just thought it was cute.
These smell so good. They have them at grocery stores around holiday season and they smell good. Great for putting at the entrance of your house. Smell this.
This has, what is it?
Look what Karina found here.
I don't know what this is. Do you know what these are for? No. I think these. This is like a little bird.
7-Eleven. 7-Eleven.
No, I think Nina is right. They just make a little ice. You know what these are for? Because I think for these you can You know what make, this is for?
You can make ice balls.
Yeah, exactly.
Therapy. Stress balls.
Yeah, that's a good one, yeah.
So, do you want a kitchen timer? This is cute with pears.
Oh yeah, cute.
Do you want one?
No,
Actually feels really cool.
yeah, it does. Yeah.
You want me to get you one?
No, thank you.
Did they see the nuts? The garlic pistachios? Did you see the garlic pistachios?
Pistachios or pistachio garlic?
No, garlic pistachios. It looks amazing. Yeah, that's it. 1 second. Oh, right here, look.
Garlic pistachio. Yeah.
Have you had those?
I'm sure I can. It's very easy to make it yourself.
What is?
The garlic pistachio. Just
How?
a bunch of pistachios.
Just
How do you
roast
do
it.
that?
Yeah, put some garlic, fresh garlic, and mix it, and put it in the oven, and voila. If you want, next time I'll make it for you.
Okay.
Fresh.
Yeah, you can
I'll
add
make
some.
it tomorrow morning for breakfast.
You can add
Okay.
some salt if you want to.
Okay.
Do you guys want to come tomorrow
Put
morning?
salt.
Maybe.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Like a barbecue, like maybe they have
Then
a-
what happened?
They open it at 7:30.
Oh, well, let's go, right? You should go there, right?
No, like in 15 minutes. It's not open yet. No, you can't get in here till 7:30. We're in the yeah.
Can I do actually?
Had to do last resort. Last resort. That was my last resort. Let's see if that even works. Oh wow! Look. Wow. Yeah, real tree. Smell it, guys. Smell it. Sohela, smell the tree. What'd you say?
We We have to wait until 7:30.
Okay.
Yeah, so we do tiered pricing. So if you wait till the 7:30, it'll be cheaper.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do some shopping.
Back to shopping.
You have to buy tickets still.
Yeah, you want to buy the 7:30 one, right? It's all under control, you guys.
All right, 7:18, we made it to the ticket area, and it was close enough to 7:30 where they said, wait till 7:30 and it's cheaper. So it wasn't an awkward silence or an awkward, like, why are you guys waiting kind of thing. So ended up being a good mixed balance there. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
7:27.
We're 8 people, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Karina, do you mind?
Yes, I do mind. Yeah, it's our Christmas gift.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, Santa Claus.
They're waiting for me.
So
with the
cute.
sleigh.
What is this, Arvin? Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh yeah.
So let's hear it right now, everybody. Make some noise really quick. Thank you very much. Please make sure to have that good cheer and that good spirit ones associated with the holidays the whole year round, not just on this time of year. And please make sure to stay nice and warm. Make sure to take lots of good pictures.
It's the tunnel when you go to heaven. Oranges.
Which one should I get?
Are they organic? Nice. Oh my god, donkeys.
Miniature donkeys are native to the Mediterranean island of Sicily and Sardinia.
Really?
Yeah.
They're called burros. Burros, right?
Burro.
What is that? I have no idea.
Look at the feet.
Oh my gosh.
That guy's cute. What was your favorite part?
The lights, definitely the lights. And being in the wagon, decorated the farm wagon. traveling through the farm and seeing the nature with the lights and how beautiful it was. That was very neat. Super.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part I would say the line of Christmas trees with the lights, Christmas lights. I really like that area very much.